What your favorite monster truck says about you. Bigfoot. You don't know any other monster trucks, do you? Avenger. You're always excited for no reason. Gravedigger. You've been around a long time. Maximum Destruction. Your giant ego drives you to win at everything you play. Snakebite. You have a pet snake. Bounty Hunter. You're a fast driver. Wild Thing. Your favorite musician is the Trogs, or Tone Loc. Samson. You're biblical, or a bodybuilder, or both. Bulldozer. You're an old American. Blue Thunder. There's a 90% chance you drive a Ford F-Series truck. Monster Patrol. You're either a cop or you're psychedelic. Gravedigger the Legend. You want to see it come back to the sport. You won't. Scarlet Bandit. You're a cowgirl. El Toro Loco. You're a young Mexican. Medusa. You're a woman. Or you're a man. Toasaurus Rex. You run a towing company. Or love dinosaurs. Monster Mutt. You're a dog person. Predator. You're a cat person. Backdraft. You're a firefighter. Or a southerner. Time flies. You're old. Or you're young and think old trucks look gnarly. Zombie. Your favorite TV show is The Walking Dead. Tasmanian Devil. You either grew up watching Looney Tunes, or you're schizophrenic. Zombie Hunter. Your favorite hobby is hunting. Reptoid. You're cold-blooded. U.S. Air Force Afterburner. You like setting things on fire. High maintenance. You're a feminist who's always in a domineering mood. Advanced Auto Parts Grinder. You finish every sentence with "service is our best part." Lucas Oil Crusader. You use Lucas Oil on literally everything. Wildflower. You roll in mud when you're finished busting your move. VP Racing Fuels Mad Scientist. You can execute a front flip with ease. Team Hot Wheels Firestorm. You probably already collect lots of Hot Wheels at home. Son of a Digger. You want to carry on your dad's legacy in any way you can. Monster Energy. You drink Monster with literally everything. Monster Mutt Dalmatian. You're actually a Monster Mutt fan but wanted to feel special. Or you're obsessed with Snoopy. Prowler. Your favorite movie is Rocky III. King Crunch. You enjoy Renaissance fairs. Bulldozer. You think having a long beard and driving a diesel truck makes you stand out. Bro Camino. You're disappointed it's not diesel powered like Bulldozer is. Identity theft. You like the dollar store version of Gravedigger. Rockstar. You listen to Nickelback. Or your favorite drink is Rockstar Energy. Blacksmith. You have a wall of weapons in your basement. Captain's Curse. You blast pirate music from your car and pretend it's a pirate ship. An Escalade. You're black. Or you're white. Mohawk Warrior. You got your haircut at Great Clips. And it's probably a mohawk. Soldier Fortune. Your favorite video game is Halo. Soldier Fortune Black Ops. Your favorite video game is Call of Duty. Whiplash. You're a show-off who gives people headaches. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. At the same time, you're triggered that only Raphael was a real truck. New Earth Authority Police. In the future, you want to become a cop or an astronaut. You won't. Doomsday. You're either the quiet kid in class, or you're plotting to end your country. Thanks for watching this video. Comment, take pride, rate, and subscribe for more content by Double Bacon Chaseburger. Being a big monster truck fan, I had a lot of fun working on this episode, so hopefully you guys find it funny too. Please stay tuned for more episodes coming in the future, and I'll catch you all in the next video.